Hello traders and investors, this is a technical analysis and a trade idea for Bitcoin. Today is July 7th and this idea is for the following trading week. This week is already finished, it's over. We have the Sunday, on Sunday we'll have a weekly close, and this is for the following week, okay? Now Bitcoin has been trading in a range. It's been a very boring, somewhat frustrating period of time, but it's not out of the ordinary that Bitcoin consolidates before making a push either higher or lower. Now, to make things simple and short, I will tell you that my favorite scenario, my most likely scenario, is a push below the range to gather liquidity and a push above the range high before a correction. And why? Because we are in a macro-driven market, and investors and traders today, all they care about is the interest rate decisions and the inflation numbers and the non-farm payroll numbers and all these things. Okay? Because we are not at the bull market yet. Bitcoin doesn't have a strong narrative that will make people buy or sell. I don't put much importance to the BlackRock ETF issue. I don't think it's relevant for Bitcoin's price today. So we have a macro-driven market, and in a macro-driven market, traders that have gone long, maybe here at 25 or at 26, at 26 and a half, and they are in profit, and they see that Bitcoin is not doing anything, they will take profit, meaning they will sell just to be sure that they got something for their trouble, okay? So as June 12 gets closer and closer, I think that the selling pressure will become stronger and stronger until Bitcoin makes it to the 0.382 fib retracement. Here I believe we will find support. It will also be in close proximity to the inflation number publication, and afterwards we can push back up again, where to the 33k, 32.5, 33k level. Now I also found very nice confluence for this idea from Bitcoin's fractal between January and March. So I will just copy this fractal, copy paste this fractal, and let's see what we can see. Okay, we take this fractal and we'll install it over this fractal. What do we see? Very nice. We see a consolidation period, a drop below the range. This is the range low, okay? A drop below the range, finding support at the 28,740, let's say 28,7, 28,5 level, okay? And pushing back up. So this is, in my opinion, this is the most likely scenario because Bitcoin didn't use the non-farm payrolls publication as a stepping stone for higher prices. So I believe this range will not hold because the inflation numbers publication represents an unknown, and when a trader is faced with an unknown, his first instinct is to take profit just to be on the safe side, and this will create selling pressure. So my trade idea is this. We put a buy order at 28,740, 28,700, 28,500. I don't want to tell you the exact number because it's too early to say, but below the range, okay? With a stop loss below the 0.5 retracement, and the target of this trade is maximum 33k, okay? Now of course we will take profit along the way just to secure some profit. So first the take profit will be at 29.5, second take profit will be at the mid-range at 30,500. Third take profit will be at the range high, and the rest will be at 32.5 to 300. Okay, so we have 4 take profit points. We have an entry at 28,740, stop loss at 27,900, and the take profits are dispersed in $1,000 intervals between the range low 29.5, 35, 31.5, and let's say 32.5. This is my long trade idea, followed by a short idea. If we'll make it to 32.5, then I will most likely put a short order at 32.5. with the stop loss at 32,100, and the take profits will be the same. Okay, first take profit 31.5, second take profit 30.5, third take profit at 29.5, and I will take the rest at 28,500, or if it goes lower, it goes lower. I think that it can go lower because, let's see with this fractal again, assuming that this fractal plays out, then it will most likely go lower to the 27,000 level. Let's see. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible that the correction will be even lower, but it's still too early to say. Okay, so this is my trading plan. Follow me on Twitter. I will post the trading plan in detail there, and also all my trading view ideas are posted on Twitter. The links are in the bio. Thank you very much for your time, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I'm updating these trading plans constantly. Thank you very much, and goodbye.